Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to another vacuum review from Awesome Vacuums. So, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Hoover WindTunnel T Series bagged upright vacuum cleaner. Now, I have done an unboxing video of this machine a few years ago on my channel. And I've had it ever since, and since then I haven't really used it all that much. It still has the original bag in it, as you can see. It's still the original bag. It's still very clean inside there. I've only used it a little bit, not too much. So yeah. So this is, in my opinion, one of the best budget vacuums you can get. You can get these on Amazon at the time of filming for $153, which is very affordable. Now, I have given a full tour of the machine in the unboxing, but in case you haven't seen the video or just don't have any intention of watching a vacuum get unboxed, I figured I would just quickly run you through the main features. So, at the bottom here you can see it has a 5-level carpet height adjustment, so it goes from low all the way to high pile carpet. And now, in order to use this height adjustment, you have to press down and move it, because if you don't, you can't actually do it. So, yeah. So there's that. And also right here is the brush roll on and off, so, which not a lot of budget machines actually have this option, so this is a great feature. So that's to shut off the brush roll, and when you turn it back on, you would just press down like that. And now you still have the headlight on this model, which again, a lot of machines these days have kind of taken away from that. And now for the best part, I think, is this machine still uses bags. And I know what you're thinking, but aren't bagless better? Well, the answer to that is no. Bags are a lot cleaner, as you can see. And now this is actually running a HEPA Type Y in it, so this is way better than any bagless machine. And now, inside here you can see are two filters. So here's this filter here, which is just a piece of foam. You can wash that. So that just clips in there like that. And now here's just a little emergency filter, so if the bag explodes or something, you have some protection for the motor down here. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same as this. You can replace these, or you can wash them, depending on how bad they get. Which, if you use these type of bags, the HEPA bags, it should stay very clean in here. So yeah, so I'll just quickly put this back on. Put this in there. So on the top here you have a turbo brush, which is a very good feature. Power switch on top of the handle. The back here you have a 30-foot cord, I believe, so quick release cord hook comes out like that, pulls out. Now the cord does come out the bottom, which I don't really like, but there is a cord hook up here, so you can just lock it in like that, so that's not so bad. And now here's the hose, which is a decent length, really, because and also comes out the bottom too, so the machine won't topple over. It will actually follow you, as you'll see here. So that's good. So that just clips it down like that. The back here you have your all-purpose nozzle. I guess you can call that basically a dusting brush and a upholstery tool combo. bristles are, it's not that great of a tool, in my opinion, but this machine does use the standard 1.25" fitting, so if you aren't happy with any of the accessories on here, you can get all kinds of third-party attachments, so that's good, I think. And then in the back here, you have your extension wand and crevice tool combo. So you just put it together like that, and now, as you can see, it is pretty short. Arm for size reference. So, but again, if you're not happy with that, you can get additional tools that are the standard 1.25" fitting. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much all I got for the features. So I guess I'll do the pickup test now. Alright, so here you can see we've got some rice and general dirt. So I'll do the usual 1 pass forward, 1 pass back, and see what the results are. So here we go. Well, actually, I'd say that did very well, actually. The only thing that I can see a little piece of rice here that didn't get picked up. But otherwise, I was actually very impressed with how aggressive this brush roller is, because you can see, especially on this side, it was really agitating. But otherwise, that's not done too bad at all, really. I mean, there's another little piece there, but otherwise, that's not done bad at all. Just like the carpet demo I did, I'll do 1 pass forward and 1 pass back. So let me just shut that off. Alright, let's go. Okay. So, as far as the rice and sugar goes, it picked all that up, no problem. Actually, there's a little bit of rice here that didn't quite make it, but I'm sure if I let it go a little longer, it could have. But as you can see, it did snowplow and struggled with the cereal. But this is obviously an extreme example, and hopefully no one's kitchen floor looks like that. But normally when you're vacuuming, you're usually going back and forth in all kinds of different directions. You're not just going forward and back once. But if you find the machine does struggle with the larger debris, you can always lift the nozzle up and put it on top, or you can always use the hose and wand to suck it up. Alright, so I think that just about concludes the review and demonstration on the Hoover WindTunnel T Series bagged upright vacuum cleaner. So, for $153, I think this machine is a great value. Performs extremely well, and it really is a good machine. One of the best budget machines I've tested to date. So yeah, and as you saw from the tests I did, it performed very well. The only thing was the hard floor performance on the larger debris, but as mentioned earlier, that was an extreme example, and for normal day-to-day use, this machine should do just fine. So, in my opinion, the pros far outweigh the cons on this machine. So, that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Awesome Vacuums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.